Mastering root cause prevention. Operational excellence blindsides leaders to critical risks that can sink the organization. When an organization strives for operational excellence, what are the most critical operational risks that its leaders should be aware of, and what proactive measures are being taken to mitigate their impact and prevent them from becoming root causes of problems? When an organization pursues operational excellence, its leaders must be cognizant of the most critical operational risks that can compromise its goals and objectives. These risks can manifest in various ways, including quality control issues, equipment failures, supply chain disruptions, human errors, and external events such as natural disasters or changes in regulatory requirements. To mitigate the impact of these risks and prevent them from becoming root causes of problems, leaders must take proactive measures to identify, assess, and address them. One of the most critical operational risks is equipment failure. Equipment downtime can lead to production losses, delays, and increased maintenance costs. To mitigate this risk, organizations can implement a preventive maintenance program that includes regular equipment inspections, scheduled maintenance, and timely replacement of worn-out parts. Additionally, organizations can invest in redundant systems or backup equipment to ensure that production continues uninterrupted in the event of equipment failure. Another significant operational risk is human error. Human mistakes can occur due to lack of training, fatigue, or distraction. To mitigate this risk, organizations can implement robust training programs that focus on operational procedures, safety protocols, and quality control measures. Furthermore, organizations can implement error-proofing measures such as automated checklists, visual aids, and barriers to prevent human errors from occurring. Supply chain disruptions are another critical operational risk. Disruptions can occur due to supplier insolvency, natural disasters, or logistical issues. To mitigate this risk, organizations can implement supplier diversification strategies, maintain inventory buffers, and develop contingency plans to address potential supply chain disruptions. Additionally, organizations can collaborate with suppliers to implement joint risk management initiatives and develop mutually beneficial agreements. Quality control issues are also a significant operational risk. Quality control issues can lead to product defects, customer complaints, and reputational damage. To mitigate this risk, organizations can implement robust quality control procedures that include regular product testing, inspections, and audits. Additionally, organizations can implement corrective action procedures to address quality control issues promptly and prevent their recurrence. External events such as natural disasters, changes in regulatory requirements, and cyber attacks can also pose significant operational risks. To mitigate these risks, organizations can implement business continuity plans that include disaster recovery procedures, regulatory compliance programs, and cybersecurity measures. Additionally, organizations can develop emergency response plans to address potential external events and minimize their impact on operations. Operational risks can also arise from inefficient processes and inadequate resources. Inefficient processes can lead to waste, delays, and decreased productivity. To mitigate this risk, organizations can implement process optimization initiatives that focus on streamlining processes, eliminating waste, and improving productivity. Additionally, organizations can invest in technology upgrades, training, and personnel development to ensure that they have the necessary resources to support operational excellence. To identify and assess operational risks, organizations can conduct regular risk assessments, hazard analyses, and root cause analyses. These assessments can help identify potential risks, evaluate their likelihood and impact, and prioritize mitigation efforts. Additionally, organizations can establish a culture of continuous improvement that encourages employees to report near misses, incidents, and areas for improvement. In terms of proactive measures, organizations can implement various strategies to mitigate operational risks. These strategies include: 1. Implementing a risk-based approach to maintenance. This involves prioritizing maintenance activities based on the potential impact of equipment failure on operations and focusing on high-risk equipment. 2. Conducting regular drills and simulations. This helps to identify potential risks and vulnerabilities and ensures that employees are prepared to respond to emergencies. 3. Implementing Total Productive Maintenance, TPM. TPM involves empowering employees to take ownership of equipment maintenance and ensuring that they have the necessary skills and resources to perform maintenance tasks. 4. Establishing a near-miss reporting system. This encourages employees to report near misses and incidents, which can help identify potential risks and take corrective action. 5. Implementing a Management of Change, MOC, process. This ensures that changes to processes, procedures, or equipment are properly assessed and managed to minimize their impact on operations. 6. Conducting regular audits and assessments. This helps to identify potential risks, evaluate compliance with regulations and standards, and ensure that corrective actions are taken. 7. Implementing a culture of accountability. This ensures that employees are held accountable for their actions and are encouraged to take ownership of operational risks. In conclusion, operational excellence requires a proactive approach to identifying and mitigating operational risks. By understanding the most critical operational risks, implementing proactive measures to mitigate their impact, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, organizations can prevent root causes of problems and achieve operational excellence.